Hi, I'm good, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm Shah Rukh. My designer, Sabyasachi, he thought of it. And for him it's an expression of freedom and trying to be resolute and resilient against things that can oppress you. So, yeah.
Have you ever heard of the term vibranium before? Is that the possible?
Honestly, no, but I got to know now. So the last 20 days I got to understand what it was, and being an actor, I thought it was very interesting how the resolve to change things without attrition or anger, but have exuberance of art in it. So that was marvelous. Thank you.